Today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken zipper. So here you see I have the zipper pull has come off my zipper. What I've done here is these are the zipper teeth. I've just kind of pulled them out a little. And what I want to do is I need to thread them through so that one half of the zipper teeth goes on each side of my zipper pull, right? So I take the flat end of the zipper pull, and the reason I pulled the teeth out and stretched them out like that was so they would kind of thread through the zipper. You might take a couple tries here, but once you get, oh, I got the tooth on one side and not the other. Just gonna straighten that one out a little bit more. There we go. And once I got them there, now they're kind of on the track, and voila, no more broken zipper.